Let's talk about project monitoring and control. As we segue into monitoring and controls, having full grip of the project becomes essential. Monitoring and controlling processes are all about maintaining of track reviews, adjustment and preparing a report on the project's performance. And it's important to find out how a project is performing, whether it is on time, as well as implementation of approved changes. This ensures the project remains on track, budget, and on time. Project control is a project management function that involves comparing actual performances with planned performances and combining it with appropriate corrective action or directing others to take this action that will yield the desired outcome in the project when significant differences exist. Essentially, project controls are a series of tools that help keep a project on schedule. The project control process mainly focuses on assigning responsibilities at work package level, staged authorization of work to be done, staged release of budgets, ensuring the project manager has a management reserve under his control, seeking corrective action reports, releasing management reserve carefully, measuring planned performance versus actual performance, being consistent and having periodic assessment, keeping accurate timely information based on the project's output and associated documentation, delivering forecasts that update current cost and project schedule, monitoring the implementation of any approved changes or schedule amendments. With this, we come to the end of project monitoring and control. Thank you.